Welcome to day 3 of my Healthy Eating for 30 Days challenge. This 30-day challenge isn't about strict diet or counting calories, it's more about giving my body a break from the ultra-processed stuff, things and ingredients sometimes I can't even pronounce. Research shows that sometimes even taking a break from regular foods can boost your mood, improve your energy, and reset your cravings. This 30-day journey has no pressure to be perfect. Even one or two better choices can make a big difference. Today we're going to be making a blend of white rice, which is long grain rice, brown rice, red quinoa, white rice, and black rice, and we're going to boil this into a pot with 2 cups of boiling water. I am adding just about a teaspoon of oil, and I am adding my white rice. This is 4 servings. I'm giving it a nice mix. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what our white rice looks like. Let's move on to our steamed vegetables and fish. I'm going to cut up half of my cucumbers and I'm just going to give them some big slices. And I only want about 8 slices because I'm using a lot of vegetables, and it's going to be 8 slices per plate. To this, we have some assortments of cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to enjoy these whole. Our rice and salad is done, and I'm going with about a teaspoon of oil, olive oil. I am adding a few pieces of garlic, and I slice them because I want the health benefits of the garlic. I'm also going to add some onion, some pimento peppers, and a piece of thyme. By adding these 4 into your diet, they provide a powerful combination of cardiovascular support, immune defense, and anti-inflammatory protection. In goes some bell peppers. I'm cutting them very big because I want them to be al dente at the end. Some okras. And I'm adding some carrots. Carrots are good for vision support, heart and skin health. Okras are good for blood sugar management and gut health. Colorful bell peppers are a really good source of multivitamins. I'm adding a little bit of water. And in goes some fresh corn. To get the most out of the next 30 days, I prefer to steam, grill, broil, air fry, or even roast. Corn is also a good source for vision protection. I'm going to cover this for about 10 minutes. This is what it looks like after 12 minutes. I'm going to add some vegetable seasoning, some vegetable bouillon, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, some chopped parsley, some chopped cilantro, some green onion, and I'm adding a little bit of salt to this. Since I started eating a little bit more cleaner, I feel like I sleep much more better. My mood has improved significantly and I have a better mental clarity. And when I tell you, I sleep so good. I'm adding 4 pieces of fish, and these are going to steam nicely. If you are encouraged by this journey, be sure to subscribe and comment in the comment section. I'm not going to mix up the fish because I don't want them to break up. Cover them over for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we look like. After the Christmas holiday indulgence, my body began screaming for a reset. I felt very low in energy. I felt sluggish. It was even hard to get up out of bed. To even think sometimes it was so difficult where I would just forget things. Have you ever had an experience where your body just told you, give me a little bit of change? As I said before, this journey isn't about weight loss, but more so, this journey is about feeling good. If you enjoyed making this delicious dish with me, give the video a thumbs up or subscribe. Share, share, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you on D4. So, what are you waiting for? Start listening to your body.